continuous progress in all spheres of life is something that we all want. But for that, it requires continuous learning and application. Hello everybody, I am Deepa Ayachit, Coordinator Training at Sage University, Bhopal. We at Sage University, Bhopal follow a unique training program, a stand-alone skill accelerator providing 21st century skills, professional skills, technical skills, focus being self-awareness and holistic development. So how do we do this? With our uncomparable SPI, that is Student Progression Index. Now, SPI is a snapshot of the progress made by a student for an identified skill. It takes a lot of hard work and patience in this. We have done a thorough TNA, training need analysis, to identify skills required by each stream. So at the beginning of each semester, we do a zero assessment to understand the level of skill that the student has. Then a rigorous training is provided on the same skill, and towards the end of the semester, we do a post-assessment to understand or to see the progress made by the student in the same skill. So if you look at the graph here, I'm talking about two skills, creativity skills and reading skills. So this is for a student, an engineering student, which has 8 semesters. So if you look at the graph, it shows the progress made by the student. So there could be two sets of skill. It could be semester wise, like the LSRW, which comes under the language skills, that is the listening, reading, writing and the speaking skills. It could be the quantitative aptitude, it could be logical reasoning or a technical skills. We also focus on the must-have skills. That's the professional skills which student needs to stand out in the career market. So we have a regular training program for the professional skills, which begins on the first day of the first semester until the last day in the last semester. So to unleash your true potential and to live life of your own dreams, join Sage University, Bhopal. Bye-bye.